Over 60, drink these 3 natural remedies instead of collagen, protein, powder, and multivitamins. Have you ever wondered if you could skip the expensive powders and pills and still get glowing skin, better energy, and stronger muscles? In this video, I'll show you 3 easy toad drinks that don't just taste great, they can naturally support your collagen, protein, and multivitamin needs without relying on supplements. And I'll also share the best times to enjoy them so you get the most out of each one. If you enjoy practical health tips like these, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you've tried any of these drinks before, I'd love to hear your experience in the comments below. Now, let's get started. Drink 1 called Juice, Amla, Beetroot, Carrot. 2. Naturally support collagen production. Your body needs one key nutrient more than anything else. Vitamin C. And guess what? Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is one of the richest sources of vitamin C found in nature. In fact, just 1 amla contains more vitamin C than 20 oranges combined. That's not an exaggeration. It's backed by research. According to a study published in the International Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research, amla boasts about 600 to 700 mgs of vitamin C per fruit. This makes it a powerhouse for skin regeneration and anti-aging. But there's more to amla than just vitamin C. It's also packed with powerful antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, a major factor behind premature skin aging. When your skin is under stress from pollution, bad diet, or sun exposure, free radicals start damaging cells. Amla's antioxidants help stop that process in its tracks. The only catch, amla is extremely tangy and not everyone enjoys the sourness. That's why in this first drink, we balance the taste naturally while enhancing the benefits. Next up, we add beetroot. If your skin often feels rough, dull, or pigmented, that's often a sign of inflammation underneath. Chronic inflammation caused by stress, poor diet, or lack of sleep can weaken your skin barrier and break down collagen faster. That's where beetroot comes in. Beetroot is rich in betalains, natural anti-sumata compounds that not only help reduce swelling, but also increase blood flow in the tiny vessels under your skin. This helps bring more oxygen and nutrients to skin cells, giving you that healthy glow. A study in nutrition and metabolism found that beet juice consumption significantly improved blood flow and reduced oxidative damage in human subjects. And finally, we include carrots. Carrots are rich in carotenoids, especially beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and cell regeneration. Carrots also contain lycopene and zinc, both known for their skin healing and anti-wrinkle properties. A 2012 study, published in Dermatoendocrinology, found that higher intake of carotenoid-rich vegetables like carrots significantly improve skin tone and collagen density, making the skin appear younger and healthier. So now, how do we put this all together into a simple, delicious drink? Ingredients. 1, 2 medium carrots, preferably red if in season. 1/2 a medium beetroot. 1 whole amla or 1 teaspoon amla powder if fresh is not available. Water to blend. Optional. A small piece of jaggery or 1 teaspoon jaggery powder to sweeten. Instructions. Wash and chop the carrots, beetroot, and add to a blender with just enough water to blend smoothly. Blend well and strain. If you prefer a smoother juice, stir in jaggery for a naturally sweet flavor. When to drink it? For best results, have this juice in the morning on an empty stomach or about 30 minutes before breakfast. This helps maximize nutrient absorption and gives your skin a fresh boost to start the day. If you stick with this for 30 days, you may start to notice smoother skin, better digestion, improved eyesight, and even a little extra energy. In North India, this juice is a common winter remedy, and it's available at most street juice vendors. Still not sure? Just take a look at the thousands of testimonials online from people who've tried this simple blend. Whether it's to improve your skin tone or increase your hemoglobin, this drink is worth making part of your morning routine. Let's move on to the second drink, which naturally replaces a multivitamin pill without the risks. Drink 2, natural multivitamin smoothie. Many people who start focusing on their health immediately reach for a multivitamin pill. And honestly, it's not their fault. The supplement industry does a great job convincing us that something bad might happen if we don't take a tablet every day. But the truth is, while your body does need essential vitamins and minerals, it doesn't need them from a synthetic pill. Most multivitamin tablets on the market don't even tell you where their nutrients come from. Even worse, studies show that up to 80% of what's in those pills just ends up in your urine. There's another concern. Without strict oversight in the supplement industry, many brands have been caught using fake or low-quality ingredients. In fact, a surprising study published in the Annals of Internal Medicine found that regular multivitamin use was not linked to longer life. And, in some cases, people who took daily multivitamins had a higher mortality rate. So, why not turn to real whole foods that your body actually knows how to absorb? Here's a powerful drink made with 5 superfoods, each one loaded with natural vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Ingredients: 4 almonds, 6 cashews, 2 teaspoons pumpkin seeds, 2 pitted dates, 1 ripe banana, water to soak. Instruction: soak the almonds, cashews, and pumpkin seeds in a bowl of water. In a separate bowl, soak the dates. Let them sit overnight, or for at least 4 hours. Remove the almond skins. Then add all the nuts and seeds to a blender without the soak water. Add the soaked dates and their water along with the ripe banana. Blend into a smooth creamy shake. This smoothie gives you the goodness of almonds rich in vitamin E, cashews high in magnesium, pumpkin seeds loaded with zinc and iron, dates full of natural sugar and potassium, and banana, a great source of fiber and vitamin B6. Each of these ingredients is backed by science. A study published in Nutrients in 2019 showed that tree nuts like almonds and cashews support heart health, lower inflammation, and improve lipid profiles. Pumpkin seeds, according to research in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences, offer high amounts of zinc and antioxidants that boost immunity and reduce chronic disease risk. Dates, often underrated, contain natural sugars that release energy steadily, unlike processed sugar spikes and bananas. A 2021 review in Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition confirmed their positive impact on gut health and blood pressure regulation. Together, these foods support brain function, protect your heart, strengthen hair, improve sperm quality, and even help manage weight. And don't be fooled by the simplicity. This milk-free shake tastes just as good, if not better, than many sugar-laden store-bought versions. In fact, once you try it, you might even prefer it over your usual morning smoothie. When to drink it? Enjoy it in the morning as a breakfast or as a filling snack between meals, ideally before sunset for optimal digestion. This also avoids late-day sugar cravings and keeps your energy balanced. Rich in natural biotin, selenium, copper, vitamin E, potassium, magnesium, and other trace minerals, this drink is a complete real food alternative to that expensive multivitamin bottle. And the best part, no artificial preservatives, no mystery ingredients, just 5 simple, wholesome foods your body already knows how to use. Ready for the third and final drink? Let's explore how to get high-quality protein from a time-tested affordable ingredient without the need for processed powders. Drink 3 natural protein. Drink Chana. Sattu. Protein is essential for every part of the body, from your muscles and bones to your skin, hair, and nails. It helps repair tissues, build strength, and even keeps you feeling full longer after meals. But here's the catch. Most of us think we need to buy fancy protein powders to get enough of it. Truth is, for the average person, especially if you're not a heavy athlete or bodybuilder, natural foods offer more than enough protein. The problem is, we've been sold the idea that the only way to stay fit or strong is through scoops of industrial powders. That's simply not true. Let's talk about what your body really needs. For most older adults, 40-60 g of protein per day is plenty, unless you're doing intense weight training, growing rapidly, pregnant, or recovering from surgery. You probably don't need much more than that. What matters more is the quality of protein and how easily your body can use it. And here's where one traditional food really shines. Chana sattu. Sattu is made by roasting black chana, a type of chickpea, and then grinding it into a fine powder. The roasting process helps eliminate antinutrients that can cause gas or poor digestion. What you're left with is a nutrient-dense, easily digestible, plant-based protein that's been used in Indian households for centuries. Just 2 tablespoons, about 50 g of Sutta can give you up to 10 g of protein plus fiber, calcium, iron, magnesium, and folate. It's a complete nutritional package. According to a paper published in Food Science and Nutrition, roasted pulses like chana are excellent sources of resistant starch and slow-digesting carbohydrates that help stabilize blood sugar and improve satiety. What makes Sattu even more impressive is its versatility. You can enjoy it sweet or savory, whichever suits your taste and your routine. Sweet version: 50 grams of chana sattu, 1 cup of water, 1-2 teaspoons of jaggery powder. Stir well and drink. Fresh savory version: 50 g of chana sattu, 1 cup of water, a pinch of rock salt, a pinch of black salt, 1-2 teaspoon roasted cumin jera, a squeeze of lemon juice. Stir and enjoy. When to drink it? This can be your go-to drink mid-morning or mid-afternoon, especially when you feel like snacking. Instead of reaching for a $10 protein bar loaded with sugar, this humble $1 drink will keep you full and energized. Plus, it's made from whole foods your body knows how to process. Now, let's address a few common concerns about plant-based protein. Isn't plant protein incomplete? Technically, chana sutta doesn't contain all 9 essential amino acids in perfect ratios, but in practice, it doesn't matter. As long as you're eating a variety of plant foods like lentils, with rice or roti, you're getting everything your body needs. There's no need to get all your amino acids in one meal. What about the carbs in sattu? Yes, sattu contains more carbohydrates than protein, but they're complex carbs, the kind that digest slowly and don't spike your blood sugar. These carbs keep you full longer and give you lasting energy. What you should avoid are the refined carbs like white sugar, white bread, and pastries, not these nutritious legumes. Whey protein has fewer calories and more protein per scoop. That's true, but whey is also heavily processed and usually contains artificial sweeteners, preservatives, and flavorings. Some of these ingredients, especially sugar substitutes like sucralose or aspartame, have been linked to gut health issues and insulin resistance. Plus, 1 scoop of whey protein may cost us 100 Y, while the same money can get you 1 kilogram of chana sattu, which will last much longer. If you need more protein post-workout, you can simply blend sattu with a glass of milk and 2 dates. This gives you a powerful natural shake with around 20 grams of protein and 0 artificial stuff. Bonus insight: did you know that sattu has been a staple for laborious wrestlers and field workers for generations? It's no surprise this food delivers steady energy, strength, and stamina. Think about horses and elephants, some of the strongest animals alive. What do they eat? Grains, legumes, and plants, not powders or pills. So, if they can build strength from plants, so can we. Whether you're aiming to maintain muscle as you age, manage your weight, or just stay full longer, sattu is a gentle, natural, and affordable way to meet your protein needs without stress, expense, or guesswork. Now that we've covered all 3 drinks, collagen, multivitamin, and protein, it's time to choose the one your body needs most today. These 3 natural health drinks aren't just simple to make. They're powerful tools to support your body as you age. Whether you're looking to boost collagen for healthier skin, replace synthetic multivitamins with real foods, or build muscle strength without protein powders, nature already has you covered. Instead of relying on expensive supplements or trendy products, go back to the basics. Amla, beetroot, carrot, nuts, seeds, dates, banana, and chana sattu. All timerist, nutrient-dense foods can provide the vitamins, minerals, and protein your body truly needs. If you're over 50 or 60 and want to age with strength, clarity, and confidence, adding just one of these drinks to your daily routine could make a big difference in your energy, skin, digestion, and overall vitality. Have you tried any of these natural drinks before? Let us know in the comments what worked for you. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to Like, share, and subscribe for more senior nutrition tips and natural remedies that truly work. Here's to healthy aging, one glass at a time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let me know what you think.